Welcome to my mathematics class and I am your mathematics teacher, Miss De Leon. For this week, iikot ang mundo natin sa rational algebraic expressions. And for this tutorial video, our topic is simplifying rational algebraic expressions. Bago tayo magsimula, kailangan po ay master mo na ang pagpa-factoring. Ang factoring common monomial factor, factoring difference of two squares, factoring sum and difference of two cubes, factoring perfect square trinomial, and factoring general trinomial, where a equals 1 and a is greater than 1. Kasi lahat po iyon ay ma-apply ninyo sa rational algebraic expressions. To finally introduce to you what is rational algebraic expressions, I'll define the following. Rational number. It is a ratio of two real numbers. For example, 1/2, 8/2, or 10/9. Algebraic expressions. It is composed of a term or group of terms. For example, x plus 2. X plus 2 is an algebraic expression with two terms, and these are x and 2. Ratio. Ratio means comparison of two or more quantities. For example, 1:2 or 1/2. 8:2 or 8/2. Thus, a quotient of two algebraic expressions is called rational algebraic expressions, where both the numerator and the denominator are polynomials. Rational algebraic expressions can be expressed as P over Q, where P and Q are polynomials, and Q is not equal to 0 because if the denominator is 0, its value is undefined. Determine if the following represents a rational algebraic expression or not. Number 1, 6x minus 1. It is not a rational algebraic expression because it is not a ratio of two polynomials. Same with number 2. It is not a rational algebraic expression. Number 3, 2/3x. It is a rational algebraic expression because both the numerator and the denominator are polynomial. Number 4, x squared minus 4 over x minus 2. It is a rational algebraic expression. And number 5, 1 over x raised to negative 6. It is not a rational algebraic expression because the denominator x raised to negative 6 is not a polynomial. We will move on now to our topic for this tutorial video, which is simplifying rational algebraic expression. Simplifying rational algebraic expression is the same as simplifying rational numbers. Both uses factoring. Factoring out and canceling GCF among numbers is used in rational numbers. For example, 4/8. The simplified form of 4/8 is equal to 1/2. And for the solutions, the GCF of 4 and 8 is 4. We will write 4 in the numerator and the denominator. The other factor for the numerator is 1 because 4 times 1 is 4. For the denominator, the other factor is 2 because 4 times 2 is 8. And now, we will cancel the GCF which is 4. At ang naiwan ay 1/2. This is the process of simplifying rational numbers. While for rational algebraic expression, it uses factoring out and canceling the common polynomial factors. And to determine that polynomial factors, we apply the different methods of factoring polynomials. Kaya kailangan mayroon kayong kopya nito para mas madali ninyong makita kung anong methods ang gagamitin doon sa given polynomial. Example number 1, x raised to 5 over x cubed. This one is a simple problem because we can just apply laws of exponent by subtracting their exponents. For the solutions, it is x raised to 5 minus 3, which is equal to x squared. But in factoring way, the greatest common monomial factor of x raised to 5 and x cubed is x cubed. Kung matatandaan ninyo, ang pagkuha natin ng GCF ng same variable ay ang pagkuha ng variable na may mas mababang exponent. kaya ito ay x cubed. Write this GCF to the numerator and denominator. The other factor of the numerator is x squared. To check, the product of x cubed and x squared is x raised to 5. Now, cancel their common polynomial factor x cubed at ang naiwan ay x squared. X squared is the simplest form of x raised to 5 over x cubed. Example number 2. 18x squared minus 12x over 12x. First thing to do is to check if the polynomials are factorable by common monomial factoring by finding the GCF. If not, try another factoring method. The GCF of 18x squared, 12x, and 12x is 6x. Write 6x in the numerator and denominator. Divide all terms by 6x. 18x squared divided by 6x is 3x. 12x divided by 6x is 2. Same with the denominator. The quotient is 2. Cancel out the common polynomial factor 6x. The remaining expression is 3x minus 2 over 2. 3x minus 2 over 2 is the simplified form of 18x squared minus 12x over 12x. Example number 3. Y squared minus 25 over y minus 5. Common monomial factoring is not applicable in these polynomials. Check out your keyboard. The factoring method we can use is factoring difference of two squares. The square root of y squared is y and the square root of 25 is 5. The binomial factors of difference of two square is a sum and difference of two terms, in where the first term is y and the second term is 5. Copy the denominator y minus 5 and as you can see, there is now a common polynomial factor which is y minus 5. Canceling this, the remaining expression is y plus 5 over 1 or y plus 5. Y plus 5 is the simplified form of y squared minus 25 over y minus 5. Example number 4. The square of the sum of x and 5 over x squared plus 7x plus 10. For the numerator, square of the sum of x and 5, write this in expanded form. It will become the product of x plus 5 and x plus 5. For the denominator, use factoring general trinomial where a equals 1. Check your keyboard. The factors of 10 whose sum is 7 are 5 and 2. Thus, the factored form of x squared plus 7x plus 10 is the product of x plus 5 and x plus 2. Cancel the common polynomial factor x plus 5. The remaining expression is x plus 5 over x plus 2. And x plus 5 over x plus 2 is the simplified form or the simplest form of the square of x plus 5 over x squared plus 7x plus 10. Example number 5. X squared plus 2x minus 15 over x squared minus x minus 6. The numerator and the denominator are both factorable by factoring general trinomial where a equals 1. Check out your keyboard. For the numerator, x squared plus 2x minus 15, the factored form is the product of x plus 5 and x minus 3. To check, 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. Ayun, yung ating value for C. Then, 5 plus negative 3 is positive 2. And, ayun ulit, ang ating value for B. The factored form of the denominator x squared minus x minus 6 is the product of x minus 3 and x plus 2. To check, Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Ayun, pareho sa ating value for C. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. Ayun, invisible 1 sa ating middle term. The common polynomial factor is x minus 3. Cancel it. And the remaining expression is x plus 5 over x plus 2. X plus 5 over x plus 2 is the simplified form or the simplest form of x squared plus 2x minus 15 over x squared minus x minus 6. Example number 6. X squared plus 3x minus 4 over x cubed minus 1. The factored form of x squared plus 3x minus 4 is the product of x plus 4 and x minus 1 by factoring general trinomial where a equals 1. Well, the factored form of x cubed minus 1 is the product of x minus 1 and x squared plus x plus 1 by factoring difference of 2 cubes. To check this, the cube root of x cubed is x and the cube root of 1 is 1. Canceling the common polynomial factor x minus 1, the final answer is x plus 4 over x squared plus x plus 1. This is the simplest form of x squared plus 3x minus 4 over x cubed minus 1. This is how to simplify rational algebraic expressions. Thank you for listening and see you on my next tutorial video.